Welcome all to this camp today, Damodar Kids. So I see 48 participants. So let's start with prayers. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langayate girim yatkripatamaham vande chidinarinam. Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale
Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namine
Saraswate Deve Gauravani Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Bhakta Vrinda. So we are going to chant the 11 times. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare It was so nice. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So let's find things which starts with P.
Penguin.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, we can hear you, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji, we can mute all kids. Mataji, please.
Okay, so we are going to find out some things that starts with the letter P. So somebody raised hand. Who's that? Can you unmute Akshara?
Panda.
So
Mataji, can I share my P stuff?
yeah, after we are done, you can share. Okay.
Yes, okay, Mataji.
Thank you. So we found there are so many things in P here. The letter P stands for. Who wants to say some things? Can you unmute one person, Mataji?
Pot.
Okay, thank you. Umai? Okay, thank you. Keshav? Tatvik and Hashwita?
Later. Mataji, can I share 2 more things?
Yes.
I need 3.
Okay.
Paper. Pencil
Uh-huh.
and pen
Uh-huh.
and paper.
Very
And
nice.
towel.
So much. So we have so many things that
Plate.
and then we are going to go to the next slide. I'm so sorry we don't have time. So we will have
Okay, I will start my painting. Wait.
P stands for peacock feather. So whenever we see peacock feather, everyone remembers Krishna, our dear Lord Krishna. P also stands for Puri Jagannath Temple. Recently, just a couple of days before, we have 3 huge Rathas, and there was a huge Rath Yatra ceremony that took place in Puri, and so many people watched it online, and we were all praying to Lord Jagannath. So that is also starts with P. Okay, now we are going to today read about an interesting personality whose name starts with P also. So there is a Purana called Brahma Vaivarta Purana. In that, it was described, Lord Krishna himself says, after 5,000 years of Kali Yuga, a great sage and a worshipper of Krishna's holy name will appear and spread the chanting of Krishna's names throughout the world. Krishna himself made this prediction, and later in the 1800s, that means 200 years before, we have this guru in our parampara who is known as Bhakti Vinod Thakur. He was running a magazine. Magazine means a newsletter, and there he made a prediction. Soon there will be a time when chanting of Krishna's name will be heard in England, France, Russia, Germany, and America. So previously, 200 years before, there was no chanting going on in these places as of now. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur predicted that. So in answering to all these prayers and predictions, remember the year and the place. I'm going to ask you in the questions. In Calcutta, now it's known as Kolkata, in 1896, there appeared a baby boy whose name was Abhay Charan De, and who was later known as His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. Here A.C. stands for Abhay Charan De. So this was how Calcutta was. You see, there are no cars and buses. You see horse rickshaws. There are carriages. There are so many horses and people walking. So this was how Calcutta was in 1896. This year is 2020. So 20 years. So this is 124 years before. Now, that is 2020, 1896, Srila Prabhupada was born in Calcutta. So he was and when he was born, you know what? They showed his chart. According to our time of birth, there is something called an astrological chart. In that astrological chart, they would predict what would this baby boy do when he grew up. At that time, in the chart, the astrologer who looked at the chart, they said, oh, this boy is going to do a miraculous thing in the world. He's going to preach good things and he will cross the ocean. And in the late, after 70 years, he will make 108 temples for the Lord. That was the astrologer's prediction. So Abhay Charan, they grew up. He became 1 year, 2 year. He likes to eat kachoris a lot. Kachori is kind of fried stuff, which is very tasty to eat. And when he was 5 years, he asked his dad not for toys, not for rifle guns, not for Barbie dolls, not for, what do you say, that Beyblades. But he said, Papa, can you get me a small Rath Yatra, Ratha cart, and I want to do Ratha Yatra in our neighborhood. So his father was very pleased and he gave him not only Ratha cart but also his own small deities to worship. So in the Rath Yatra, he decorated the cart nicely. He put Jagannath inside, and he called all the other children in the neighborhood. Just like you might have seen that some of you made nice, beautiful rathas in Legos. I saw Jannavi's ratha. I saw so many people's ratha in the group. They were nicely pulling around. So like that way, when Abhay Charan was just 5 years, he would organize a Rath Yatra festival. Everybody would cook, and it was very nice. It was so much fun. And then he went to school and college, and he was very good, very sharp. He learned He knew already Sanskrit. He was very good in English because in those days English was not the mother tongue in India, but he was very good. He was an excellent. He was a brilliant student. He always came first. Then in the year 1922, Srila Prabhupada's friend told him, that time he was called Abhay Charan. Abhay Charan, please come with me. We would go and meet a sadhu, a holy person. Then Abhay Charan said, no, I have met so many holy persons, but they don't seem to be genuine. Sometimes they are good and sometimes they are fake. So I don't want to come. But this friend of Abhay Charan said, no, 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 please come with me. Only once you come with me, and then you will see. If you like, you come. Otherwise, you don't have to come. But please come only once. Because his friend was insisting so much, he came. And then as soon as he met, he was so inspired because that sadhu was none other than Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. As soon as he paid obeisances, because what you should do when you first see a sadhu, a sannyasi, a guru, you first do namaskar, you first do obeisances. Then he said, he got up, and then that sadhu said, you're a nice young man and you know English, so you should translate all the Vedic literatures in English and distribute it in the English speaking countries in the Western world. So then Abhay Charan said that, how will it work? Will they all listen? So he made some questions. We are under British rule now. We are not a free country. But Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur said, this knowledge is beyond all the boundaries. It is not only for Indians. Everybody will appreciate, and you please do it. So Abhay Charan took this to his heart and he started practicing. And then in 1933, he was given formal initiation. That means he was given the name Abhay Charan Das. And then Abhay Charanaravinda Das. And then he heard from his guru, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And he gave him so many instructions. But out of that, one instruction was that you have please print books and distribute them. You see, this is Abhay Charanaravinda Das and his young son. So they were meeting at the banks of Radhakunda. At that time, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur told it. So because whatever the guru says, the disciple takes it to the heart. That is his first class disciple. So he made a magazine called Back to Godhead. So this is the title of this. If your parents are not getting this magazine, please ask them to subscribe for this. There are nice stories in this, nice pictures, nice articles. They can read and they can read for you also. This can be very easily, you can obtain the subscription from krishna.com. I will ask Mataji to send the link. So nice. Even now it's going on. He started in 1944, about 80 years before. So when he did, it was like this. It was in black and white, and he did it with the simple. There were no computers at that time. He had a typewriter. He was the only person who did it, but he wrote articles and he would publish it. Then he took sannyas. Sannyas means he was like around, I think 50, 60 years old. Then he went to Vrindavan, and he took sannyas or renunciant ashrama, and there he was staying in the small room. Just see this only is a very small room. He lived simply on a mat, and he had a small desk. That's where he used to write, and he used to eat his food. And that is in Radha Damodar temple in Vrindavan. There he wrote so many books. And through this window, you see a small window here. Through this window, he could see Srila Rupa Goswami's Samadhi, and he always prayed. Oh, Rupa Goswami ji, please help me to understand. Please help me to write books. Please help me to distribute books. He was always praying. See, from this we can see that we also have to always keep praying to the Lord. Now we are all praying for Bhakti Charu Maharaj. So wherever you are, you can all pray. Whatever you're doing, you're playing with your toys, you're attending the class, but in your heart, you can always keep praying. Okay, so then what happened after this? So he wrote so many books from 1959 to 1965. He started translating Srimad Bhagavatam. Do you have Srimad Bhagavatam in your homes?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, very good, Pranav. And if you don't have Srimad Bhagavatam, that is a very good library. You have lots and lots and lots of stories in this, pictures in that. From till you become 60 years old, you can read that again and again. So that was all written by Srila Prabhupada. Why he wrote that book? Because his Guru Maharaj asked him to. Then he did something so amazing. He was in 1965. He got a dream again and again. That time his guru Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur had already passed away, and it was 35 years. But his guru came in his dream and said, you have to go to the West to preach. What books you write in English, you need to give them. So after 3 times, he came to USA not in a flight. He didn't have money. In fact, he don't even have money to buy a new shirt. Sometimes his shirt will be torn, but he will wear the torn shirt. So, but he got a free ticket in a huge ship, which was a cargo ship. That means it used to go from one place to another place, take all the goods, and then come from there. So he took a long time, and that means you won't see land at all for so many days. So Prabhupada, at that time, he got 2 severe heart attacks. His heart was paining a lot. But what he was doing at that time? He was just praying to Krishna, and he was chanting, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And then he was feeling little better, and 2 days again, there was a severe heart attack, heart pain. But Prabhupada thought that how am I going to survive? In the day, in the night, Lord Krishna came in his dream. And what he saw the dream, that Krishna became the boatman, and he's rowing the dream. And not only Krishna, all the incarnations were also there. And the next day, when Prabhupada got up, he was feeling all right. And the sea was very calm. It was not rough. And Srila Prabhupada landed in Boston. So that was in the year 1965, and he was living here and there. He didn't have any money. Sometimes he lived with one of his students, and sometimes then he found a small place called Matchless Kids. It was like a shop. It's a small 1-room shop. So he began holding Bhagavad Gita classes there. If you go to New York, you can still see that in 22nd 2nd Avenue, and people used to come and they used to say so many things to him, but he was not bothered a bit. He was just going on chanting, and he was cooking nice prasadam, especially gulab jamun. Ask your moms to cook for you gulab jamun. It's so good, so tasty. So slowly, many started coming, and then in 1966, he founded what is the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. He said God has a name and that is Krishna, and that is ISKCON. And this class now we are all conducting because we are all part of International Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON. You see how he was only single-handed, he had no money, he had old age, but still he was very brave and fearless, and he was completely surrendered to the Lord. So after he opened a center in New York, some people opened a center in San Francisco. You see, this is the first center in San Francisco. He's talking to his disciples, and then it spread from different countries, from US to Canada to England to Russia to all the other places throughout the world in just a matter of 10 years. See, everywhere they all started chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. In 1971, he came back to Vrindavan with so many Western disciples. Means for the first time, Indians were watching all the white-skinned Western people. They were so surprised. They don't know about Krishna. How are they dancing and singing so much? So many people were inspired by seeing this. And then that's how Srila Prabhupada continues to live, even although he went back to Krishna in 1977, he continues to live with all of us through his books, through his disciples. And many people say so many nice qualities about Prabhupada. So he was merciful and truthful. He didn't have any desire on his own. He was fixed on Krishna. He was respectful, equal to everyone. He was clean and peaceful. He was compassionate. He did not have anger, greed, lust, passion. He was fully surrendered to Krishna, and he was not taking any credit for himself. He was without false prestige. Okay, let's see some questions. If you want to answer the questions, you could raise your hands. When and where was Srila Prabhupada born? Nishi and Anish.
He was born at Kolkata at 1896.
Very good. Thank you, Nushi and Anish. And next, Satvik and Hashvita. Who is Srila Prabhupada's guru?
Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur.
Thank you, Shreya and Srihari. Okay, next question. Which magazine did Srila Prabhupada print and publish? Keshava?
Go back to Godhead.
Yes, Back to Godhead. Do you have that magazine coming to your home, Keshava?
Yes.
Good job. Okay. Now, Deeptiman, I'm going to unmute you. Srila Prabhupada traveled to America by flight. Say true or false.
True.
True?
False.
No, he did not come by flight. So, how did he come? Wait, I will
Actually,
unmute Nirvi. Nirvi, how did he come to America?
Cargo ship.
Yes, cargo ship. Good job. Okay, Shlok, this is your question. With how much money did Srila Prabhupada land in USA? I did not tell you this, but anybody who knows this?
$1.
Yes, actually it was about $8 only now, if you keep that. So thank you. That was very less money, but he fully surrendered to Krishna. So where did Srila Prabhupada open his first center?
In Boston.
No, it's not in Boston.
USA. New York.
New York, Tanmay, yes. Srila Prabhupada opened his first center in New York. Good job. Okay, 7th question. In which year did Srila Prabhupada establish ISKCON?
1914.
I don't know who's raising hands.
Correct, 1977.
Anybody who has not got a chance so far?
చెప్పవే ఆన్సర్ చెప్పి నేర్చుకో అంటావేంటి చేతులు చెప్తే
Paintbrush. I'll use this for 90.
Mataji, there are some people who have unmuted.
Sorry?
1977 చెప్పు
Mataji, I know. 1977. Mataji. And I'm in mute. I'm mute. Nami Bhakti Priyachiti. Bhakti. Thanks.
Thank you so much. So now we will do the rhyme. Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, can we do the rhyme now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. All of you are ready for the rhyme?
Yes.
Do you want to
Prabhupada came to... sorry?
do you want to unmute some people?
Yeah, you can, Mataji. Prabhupada came to America with a trunk of books. He chanted Hare Krishna and we all became quite good.
And we all became quiet.
Prabhupada, we love you. Prabhupada, you saved us. Chanting Hare Krishna is the process that... Mataji, do you want to sing the last line?
Chanting Hare Krishna is the process that gave us.
Very good. Yes.
Could I go?
Yes.
Go next.
Yeah, you want to sing?
Can I go after?
Mataji, they will do in the break room. Maybe Sita Priti Mataji will come and do the festival now.
Okay, okay, Mataji. Thank you all so much. It was very nice to see you kids. So can we all chant one time? Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Bye everybody.
పెయింటింగ్ అవన్నీ ఇస్తారు
Mataji, now you unmute yourself.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
So nice to see you all.
You too
And you all
Mataji.
are chanting so wonderful. I love how you all are chanting. One second, I will have to share
Who
my
is this? Who is this, Kanna?
I don't know.
That's Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati.
Let me see. Okay, which one is the... So now, kids, today you all are going to celebrate the festival of Panihati, right? How many of you are ready for it? Give me a thumbs up. How many ready? Very good. So now, which was the P letter? Yes. So now I'm going to show you something which you will love to do. Can you see this slide? Mataji, can you all see this slide?
No, Mataji.
No, Mataji, we can't
Not
see.
yet? Okay, okay. 1 second. Yeah, now I can show you. Yes. So now there is something very wonderful I will show you. Okay. You can see this. What is P stands for? What dances when it starts raining? Who dances when it starts raining?
Peacock.
Peacock. Can you
Peacock.
see this peacock over here
Where, Mataji?
on the screen? Mataji, you can
Yes,
see the screen?
Mataji, yes.
Yes. And I am going to show you something over here also. See? What is this? A pot, right? So we are celebrating the Pani Hati festival today. Can you everybody say Pani Hati festival ki jai?
Festival ki jai.
So now everybody has your pots with you. Can you show me your pots? Can you show me? If you do not have a pot, you can have a paper around a cup, something which you have. Very good. I see Keshav with his pot.
You can say paper around the
Who else is there? I see Keshav. I see Janavi, Raghuveer, Pranav. Very nice, very nice. Wonderful. Now you know what? When Diptiman also has a pot. So now we are going to do something very, very nice. Because I do not need my brush for it. No brush. I do not need a brush for this. So I am going to take a blue color. B stands for blue, right? Blue color you have. Now I'll open this and take some blue color in my dish. Okay? See, I have a blue color. Okay, so everybody has their blue color with them. Blue color paint.
Blue color paint.
Gaurang and Aradhya, you have your blue color paint.
Blue.
Blue color paint. Yes.
Like this.
Now take it in some of the dish.
We don't need a brush.
You don't need a brush today. Okay, keep a tissue with you or something. Then you can take it over here. And then, now see, this is my pot. I'm going to hold the pot like this. This is my thumb. Where is your thumb king? This is thumb king. This is thumb king. Here I am. Right? So I take my thumb and I put it in the blue paint.
Mataji, can you show us the pot?
Yes. See?
Thank you. Thank you.
Very good. So see, then I take blue color and I put it on my thumb. I just put my thumb in the blue color, okay? And it becomes like this. Now I take my pot and I turn it around. Can you turn around your pot? Yes. Then I put my thumb on the pot. See? See how I made a dot over here with the thumb. Only with the thumb I can make a dot like this. Everybody is done? A little blue color and then a thumb on it. Okay. Now this, what are we doing? We are doing the Pani Hati festival, right? And Pani Hati festival, you know what? Yes. Yeah. So the Pani Hati festival is all, suppose now, you know what I will tell you. If Lord Krishna comes to your house and he says, you know what, Radhika and Rasika, you know what, Akshara, I am going to punish you. Get me some food to eat. Will it be a punishment or you will be happy? Will you be happy? Rasika will be happy, right? Kesha, will you be happy when the God tells you, he wants some food to eat? Right? Yes. So same thing happened. Very good. So same thing happened with with one of the devotee of the Lord. You know what? Raghunath Das Goswami. He was, the Lord Nityananda called him. He was in the Panihati village and Nityananda called him Lord Nityananda. And he said, you know what, Raghunath Das Goswami, you are not coming in front of me. You are so shy and you are standing behind. Everybody show me this first, okay? Once you are done with this, then we will go to the second step. Very good, Akshara. Then he said, Raghunath Das Goswami, you are not coming in front of me. Now I am going to punish you. And what punishment did the Lord give? Okay, very good, Keshav. One thumb, okay? Only one thumb we need. The Lord said to Raghunath Das Goswami that I am punishing you. You have to feed all of my friends over here. All of the devotees over here. What do you think? Raghunath Das Goswami was happy or was he sad? Happy. Very good. Aradhya, you can unmute and answer, okay? Okay, once this is done, now what I will do is, I will just take one pen and then I will make my pot straight now. Make my pot straight. Danya? Yes. And then I will just make a round so that I make a face. That's it. Okay? Just a face. Only a round also you can do. Don't need to do anything. Just make a round. So that round and a neck. See? Once you're done with that, then take a green color. See, you see the pot which we already made. Where it went? See the pot which we have already made over here? Green color we will take, okay? We will take some green color paint and again we will take some green color paint in the dish. See, I took little green color paint in the dish. Once you're done with the blue color, take a tissue and just wipe
Mataji?
your hand. Yes, Keshari?
How do you make the head of the peacock?
Just make a round, Keshavi. Don't worry much. Just make a round and a little neck if you want. Don't worry about that. Okay? Now,
Okay.
I take my green color and I put, now thumb is done, right? My pointer finger says, tell me also to do something, Keshav. Tell me also to do something, Shreya, Shrihari. Your pointer finger is crying. So you take your pointer finger, you tell him, okay, I will tell you something. And you put your pointer finger in the color like this. See? You put your pointer finger in the color and you take color over here. Umi, you take color on your pointer finger, okay? Then what do you do? Now the peacock says it is raining, I want to dance. So we tell him, okay, I will give you some feathers. So you put one over here, then you put another over here, then you put another over here. See? Can you see this? Can you see this, Gopal Govinda? Gaurangi Aradhya?
Yes.
Very good, Mridaksha. Who else? Satvik, Harshita, Hasvita. Very good, Balavrinda. Everybody show me, okay, what you're doing. Then again, I take my finger. And then on the other side of the peacock, I again put 3 fingers. See? See, this is how it will look. The peacock's body over here. And all around, I am putting feathers. Because the peacock says, it is raining, I want to dance, I want to dance. So see, all over you put green color. Okay. So what happened? Then Raghunath Das Goswami said, oh my Lord, you are not punishing me. This is so nice. And Raghunath Das Goswami was so happy. What did he do? He went in the nearby villages and he got milk. He got nuts and he got lots of fruits also with it. And he got honey, he got sugar and he mixed everything and he got main item. Can anybody tell me what did he get?
Tulasi.
Tulasi, yes, Tulasi also. And he got chipped rice. Poha, you know poha? How many love poha? Yes, poha, very good. So he put everything. Yes, he put everything in that. He put some thick milk into it. He put some yogurt into it, and yum, yum, yum. It was ready. But can we eat it immediately? What do we do, Keshavi?
You have to offer it to Krishna.
Very good. Who answered that? Good job. Very good, Mukunda.
We have to
So now
serve
this
it to
is
Krishna.
dry. Very good. So see, now we have a third color over here. We have yellow color also in this. Peacock says, I want yellow color also. So take your yellow color. And again, put some yellow color.
Okay.
Remember, your green color can be more also. I just put one. But if you want, you can put more green color, okay? See, you can make your peacock a lot big also. Remember, we are not going to use any brush, just with your fingers. Whatever color you have removed, see to it that you are using it all. See? Done. And now, what happens? My pinky finger starts crying. I want to help, I want to help. Then you take your pinky and very little, okay? We do not want a lot. Take your pinky finger and wherever you put your green, a yellow dot. A yellow dot. Okay? Again, put a yellow dot, yellow dot, yellow dot. That will be quick, quick, quick.
He's a not yellow dot.
See? Everywhere. Can you see? Can you show me also how you are doing it? Aradhya and Gaurang, you can do it on a paper if you do not have a pot.
Here you go, Ma.
So see, I put it over here. Yellow, yellow.
Yellow. I don't like the bottom.
Do you know the importance of yellow color? Whose dhoti is yellow color? Krishna's. Pitambar you say, right? See? Did we make this? Who is showing me? Then again my hands are messed up.
Mataji.
Yes.
And Gaurang and Lord Chaitanya.
Yes, Lord Gaurangas. Very good. So see, we put yellow over here. Lord Gauranga will also be happy.
Mataji, do you like me?
Yes, very good, Keshavi. Very
I
good.
got confused with the head because my pen was not correcting.
Okay. Okay, so then what did Raghunath Das Goswami do? He made that and he offered it to Lord Nityananda. And Lord Nityananda and everybody started eating it. Okay. So they were very, very happy. And from that day onwards, in Panihati, they make a big festival. And they have like these pots over there. And in these pots, they put the dahi chida. It is called as dahi chida. And they eat it. Yum, yum, yum. So they need yogurt, they need sugar, they need honey, a lot of fruits, bananas, and milk. And they mix it with condensed milk little and they eat it. You can eat all the fruits which you want. It is such yummy, right, Keshavi? It looks so yummy, right? You feel yummy. Okay, who else? Tushita, very good. Can you show me what you're doing, Tushita?
Mataji, can you see that?
Very good, Balaram Subhadra. Tushita, very nice. Dhanya Gopi. Dhanya Radhika, very nice. Very good, Dhanya Radhika. Awesome.
Whoa, looks cool.
Very good, Avery. Wonderful, wonderful. Very good. Very good, Balavrinda.
Mataji,
Yeah, I'm going to spotlight.
Mataji, can you look at mine? Black.
Yeah, who all are there? Hi, Balavrinda. Very good, Keshavi.
Black and white. Orange is different.
Very good, Diptiman. Very
Mataji,
good.
can you look at mine?
Who? Okay, one second. I'm just going to look at everybody. Umai, very nice, very nice. Aradhya, I'm going to show it to you. Very good, Aradhya. Radhika and Rasika, show me yours. Wonderful. Can you turn it around a little bit? A little turn around, Rasika. Okay, very good. Very good. Radhika, you want to show me?
Mataji. Mataji,
Yes.
can you look at mine?
Who is it? Let me see. Wait.
Akshara.
Akshara. Akshara. Okay. Wait, I will have to just find. Okay. Yes. Akshara spotlight video. Okay. Where is Akshara? Very good, Akshara. Very good. Okay. Now.
Mataji, I'm with Akshara and my name's Hamsini. Do you like mine?
Yes, Hamsini. Very nice. I love you both. Okay.
Thank you,
Now.
Mataji. Thank you,
Very good.
Mataji.
Now you know what? One more thing is left. Yes.
Isn't the Bhujan Vanda?
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. See which color is left over here now. A little bit blue is left. Okay. So now our green and yellow are dried up. So you remember we took a blue color in our dish. So now my ring finger says, please give me also some service. So we should put a little bit. Okay. Only a little bit. And a dot. Dot. Okay, blue color. Remember blue color. You don't need a brush.
You don't need a brush.
Just blue dots. See blue dots?
Oh.
Okay.
Mataji.
Yes. Now, see what happened with Raghunath Das Goswami then.
Okay, yeah.
Everybody eyes and ears on me. Raghunath Das Goswami made the offerings, right? And what did Lord Nityananda do, you know? He meditated upon Lord Gauranga, upon Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to that festival and they started walking around everywhere. And what did Lord Nityananda do? He went and he took food, the dahi chida from everybody's pot.
Can you see mine?
Yes, 1 second, okay? I will see. See, suppose this Nirvi, very good. Ravi, Nirvi, very nice, Nirvi. Good job. See, now suppose this is dahi chida. He took it and he ate it. He took it and he gave to Nityananda Prabhu, to Gaurang Prabhu, to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and everybody ate it. And those who were very fortunate, they even see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the festival. Okay, I am going to see all of you now. Who is showing me? Priya Shri Hari I saw, Pushpita I saw, and Dhanya Radhika. Dhanya Radhika. Yes, show me. Wow, look at the peacock. Wonderful, wonderful. Very good. Yes. Very good. See, once you do with the pot, then you can fill some cotton into it. And you can place butter in the pot. Okay? And if you want, you can hang it. If you do not want, you can leave it. Just put a ribbon around it. Okay? And see, if you have some decorative things, you can decorate it. Mataji, are we in break room? No, not yet. Okay, very good, Radhika.
Shall we break out, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji, we are done with this pot now.
Okay, Mataji.
I don't want to read it.
Okay, Mataji, we are in breakout rooms, Mataji.
Yeah, so Mataji, we have to take the rhyme, right, in the breakout room?
Yes, Saroja Nandini Mataji is also here.
Yeah, so she wants to take the rhyme, Mataji, she can take it.
She can, Mataji.
Is this the rhyme scene, right, Mataji?
Krishnava.
Yes, Mataji, do you have the...
I can share this.
Rhyme, yeah, I've shared.
Can I share?
Okay, I will stop
You
my
have this.
I will stop my sharing, Mataji. 1 second.
Okay.
Did I stop my sharing? I think so.
Mataji, it's already stopped. No worries.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Okay. Hare Krishna, kids.
Can you see my screen?
Okay.
Okay, so let's repeat this rhyme once or twice, and then we can see who wants to sing. Okay?
We cannot.
Please repeat after me. Okay. Please repeat after me, everybody. Prabhupada came to America with a trunk of books.
I want
He chanted Hare Krishna and we all became quite good.
He chanted Hare Krishna and we all
Hare Krishna.
Okay. Prabhupada, we love you. Prabhupada, save us.
Prabhupada, we love you. Prabhupada, save us.
You saved us.
Chanting Hare Krishna is the process that he gave us.
Hare Krishna is the process that he gave us.
You all learned about Srila Prabhupada, right? So this rhyme is also about how Prabhupada came to America, okay? And he established the ISKCON movement. So let's repeat one more time. Prabhupada came to America with a trunk of books.
Prabhupada came to America with the truck of books.
Prabhupada came to America.
He chanted Hare Krishna and we all became quite good.
He chanted Hare Krishna.
Prabhupada, we love you. Prabhupada.
Prabhu, we love you. Prabhu, save us.
Chanting Krishna is the
And
process that
believe
gave us.
I already did it. Your screen. Hare chanted Hare Krishna is the process that he gave us.
Okay. So, who wants to sing the rhyme? Please raise your hands. Okay, Nirvi, go ahead.
Go
Sing the
ahead.
rhyme.
Came to America with a trunk of books. With a trunk
Truck of boots. Trunk of boots.
He chanted
He chanted
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna.
and we all became quite good.
Became all good.
Prabhupada, we love you.
Prabhupada, we love you.
Prabhupada, you saved us.
Prabhupada,
You saved us. Chanting Hare Krishna
Chanting Hare Krishna
is the process
is the process
that he gave us.
that he gave us.
Thank you, Nirvi. Very nice, very sweet. Okay, Riddhika has raised her hands. Riddhika, you want to sing?
Prabhupada came to America with her trunk of boots. He chanted Hare Krishna. We're quite good. Prabhupada, we love you. Prabhupada saved us. Chanting Hare Krishna. It's process that we give. Thank you. Thank you, Mataji.
Sarojnandini Mataji, all the kids will be coming together because we have to just like 2 minutes. We have to show them to make Shikran. So the kids all will be coming together, huh?
Krishna Deva Jai Jai Jai.
Jai
Shri Krishna.
All the kids will come together. They will come back to the main room. it seems.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Okay. So, who else wants to sing Shlok? I see you raising hands. Do you want to sing Shlok? Do you want to sing the rhyme?
I want to do it. I want to sing a rhyme.
Please go ahead, Shlok.
Let's sing the rhyme. Prabhupada came to America with tons of books. He chanted Hare Krishna and we become quick, good. Prabhupada, we love you. Prabhupada, service you. Chanting Hare Krishna is the process that he gave you.
Thank you, Shlok. That was so nice.
Of course, I could handle.
Okay, I see Gopal Govinda raised hands. Gopal, do you want to go ahead?
Prabhupada came to America with tons of books. He chanted Hare Krishna and we become quick good. Prabhupada, we love you. Prabhupada's service with chanting Hare Krishna is the process that he gave us. Prabhupada.
Okay, thank you, Shlok. That was so nice. Okay, Prahlad, go ahead.
Me. Prabhupada came to America with a trunk of books. Chanted Hare Krishna. We come good. Prabhupada, we love you. Prabhupada. The dark. Prabhupada.
Thank you, Prahlad. Okay, who else wants to sing? Let's see.
I want to.
Is anybody else raising their hands?
I want to do. Oh,
We don't have much. We're going to again join all the groups.
Me.
Does anybody want to quickly sing?
Mataji,
Who's that? Can you say your name? Can you say your name? Radhika and Rasika, please go ahead.
Prabhupada he chanted Hare Krishna and we all became quite good. Prabhupada we love you. America with a cargo. Prabhupada we love you. Prabhupada save us. Chanting Hare Krishna. Became quite good. Stop moving it.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Mataji, can I sing? I'm singing next.
Who's that? Can you say your name?
Akshara.
Akshara. Okay.
Pindi.
Yes, Akshara, please go ahead.
Prabhupada came to America with a trunk of books. He chanted Hare Krishna and we all became quite good. Prabhupada, we love you. Prabhupada said chanting Hare Krishna is the process that he gave us.
Thank you, Akshara. That was so nice.
Can
Who
I
else
sing,
wants-
Mataji? I'm part Kumar. I'm part
Yeah, Parth, please go ahead. Please go ahead, Parth.
Mataji, can I sing?
Parth, you can go first.
Prabhupada came to America with a trunk of In Hungry Hare Krishna and we all become quite good. Radha Viravi Prabhu Prabhu save us. Shanti Hare Krishna. The process. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Parth. I think everybody has joined back. So,
Priti Mataji can.
Yes, Mataji. 2 minutes, okay? Okay, kids, we
Yes.
forgot one thing.
Yes, Mataji. Yes.
Yeah, so we are going to show you one thing, okay? So you all had to get milk, right? You all have your milk with you in a bowl.
Oh, 1 minute, Mataji. Mataji, what are we doing?
We are making shikran. It is one dish which the Lord loves, and it is very, very easy. Whenever you
What are
feel
the
hungry, also you
ingredients,
can make this,
Mataji?
offer it to the Lord, and eat it.
What are the ingredients, Mataji?
We need little milk. Then we need bananas. I've chopped these bananas. I'm going to add the bananas in the milk. You can chop the bananas into slices and put it. Then I have some nuts over here. I'll put this nuts into this, and then you can add sugar or you can add honey. So I'm adding honey into it, and tada! It is done. Then I have to just mix it. See?
Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, just mix it. You have already chopped the bananas and then done. And then offer it to the Lord, okay? Can you all do that for me today? And offer it to Lord? Okay?
Yes, Mataji.
See, Lord Jagannath is coming and he is looking at it. Lord Jagannath looks at it and he eats it.
to put in this recipes.
Yeah, I'll put it in the WhatsApp group, okay? I'll put it in the WhatsApp group.
Also, your Jagannath pot, Mataji, please. That also you put it in the WhatsApp.
Yes, Mataji, I'll put it, yeah. And I will also, one separate also, I'll put this also as a bookmark also. I will send this also. Very easy bookmark. Okay, thank you, Mataji. Thank you, kids. I love you. You are so awesome. A big Hari bol to all the kids.
Mataji, thank you. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hari bol.
Hare
Hari bol to all the kids. Jai Shri Prabhupada.
Bye, Mataji. Mataji.